Man can have two reasons for doing the right thing. You'd rather I left you out of this going forward, I get it. No hard feelings. But I got a right to know.
On appelle ça la Rust Belt, la ceinture de la rouille, toute cette région du Midwest américain dont l'industrie principale était la métallurgie. Une région aujourd'hui laissée à l'abandon par une industrie oubliée ou délocalisée. Une région abandonnée à la rouille. C'est ici que se déroule American Rust, polar social, portrait d'une Amérique sur laquelle on passe un peu vite en général en l'appelant l'Amérique de Trump, celle des rednecks. C'est évidemment beaucoup trop simple pour définir un pan entier de la population américaine, comme l'a parfaitement compris Jeff Daniels, héros de cette American Rust.
I think these people have been betrayed.
Yeah.
Whether it's by the steel industry, in this case, where they picked up and moved the jobs to Mexico and China and left these people behind. And they're looking for somebody to blame. That's what you see in America. A lot of people are looking for somebody to blame. And it doesn't mean that they're at fault, but it means they've been left behind. They're rusting. They're dismissed. They're ignored. They're no longer important. They're no longer needed. And people get angry about that.
Approximately 6:30 last night, one of our own was found dead.
La richesse de la série réside donc plus dans ses personnages que dans son enquête policière. Oui, il y a un meurtre dans cette petite ville imaginaire de Pennsylvanie, mais ce que la série décrit, c'est avant tout le déclin de la classe moyenne américaine et le malaise social qui en découle. Pour l'actrice principale de la série, Maura Tierney, et son chat, c'est évidemment le plus passionnant dans American Rust.
Very quickly you find out who's been murdered. It takes a little longer to find out how, and it takes a little longer to then to find out who did it. That's not really what's driving the story at all. I have a lot of admiration for writers that can sort of weave in those elements. I don't know what that noise is. To almost set you up that this is a murder mystery show, but it's not that. It's a character study, but it's very well done, well crafted.
Is that your cat?
That's my cat. I went to a hotel.
It sounded like a roar.
I don't know. I did everything I could.
Le chat de Maura n'est pas dans la série, enfin je ne l'ai pas vu, mais penser qu'American Rust ne décrit qu'une histoire américaine, c'est se mettre le doigt dans l'œil jusqu'au coude. Le malaise social, la mise à l'écart d'une certaine partie de la classe moyenne, c'est quelque chose que doivent affronter toutes les sociétés industrialisées, même la nôtre.
I think there are a lot of people, maybe in France, who've been left behind, who are good people, who just didn't get the breaks that others did. It's just sometimes it's getting lucky, and next thing you know, your life is halfway, 2-3/4 over, and it didn't happen for you, and you're looking around going, I need something good in my life. I need some decency in my life, and that's who these people are. They're good people who have landed on the bottom and are trying to climb their way out. And I think that plays in America, certainly, and maybe people in France. I hope so. It's a very universal story, I think.
American Rust, polar puissant, œuvre sociale, drame passionnant, sera diffusé sur Canal+ dans quelques semaines.